There's a fish. Stay down here. Oh God, that's a good one. Oh my God, I almost hit a bird. All right, I'm just working on some shit. I didn't have everything ready. You guys been catching them? You said not many?
Oh, just now come out.
Oh, you just got out too?
Yeah, yep.
Nice. How far do you go with the boat? Can you get up and down pretty good?
Yeah, I can get pretty, yeah.
Nice, cool.
Shallow in some spots.
Yeah.
Nowadays, so need some rain.
Oh, I know.
Hey, good luck, guys.
Hey, appreciate it. You guys too.
Thank you.
There's one. Nice one. Definitely a nice one. Oh, he hooked himself. There.
Oh! Oh man, that was a big one. That's what I'm doing. Come down with Topwater first, and then we'll try the Ned rig. I'm upset. That was a good one. I just lost. Nice, those are fun. I caught one the other day on the Ned rig. There he is. Little guy. First little butte of the day. Missed him on Topwater, got him on the Ned. I gotta get this put away. Nothing here. No. Oh. Oh. Little guy. Little guy. He's bleeding. The 130 made him bleed from the lips. Here, come here. Or I'll come to you.
Get him on.
Oh, Whopper Flopper 130. Double.
Ready?
Yeah. Alrighty.
Nope, miss. Oh, there he is. Yeah. What'd you get him on?
Whopper Flopper 130. Doubled up. Yep. Alrighty. Wasn't even ready for him. There's a fish. Stay down. Oh God, that's a good one. Good fish. Stay down, stay down. Stay down, girl. Oh yeah, good one. Oh, missed the net. Twice missed the net. Oh, she's barely hooked. Oh, she won't get in the net. She would not get in the net, man. Woo! What a beauty. There's one. Another good one. Look at that big old eye. Beautiful. Well, I wasn't recording, and I just caught a smallmouth. Well, I lost him. My hook got caught on the outside of the net because he threw off my soft bait, and I knew it floated, so I was looking for it.
Came off! Wow.
Better than I thought. Another good one! Nice butte there.
There's one. Good one. Got off. Wow.
Alright, so hrbaits.com. Use code RJ15 to save yourself 15%. Just had to throw this in the video because, man, these 2.8-inch beetle bugs are amazing. I've caught so many fish on these baits. I ran out of the money color, and I'm now using Blue Glacier. I've caught fish on both of these, and these are just the perfect size. Throw them on a little jig head, and can't beat it. Oh, Rebecca just lost one down there under the bridge. Good fish. Really good fish. Oh, no, he's not. He must have had something wrapped on him. lost my hemostats just then. Look at the belly on that little guy. Plump as could be. Hey, we're gonna squeeze in right there to pull our kayaks out, all right? Thank you. You guys catching any?
No, we just got here.
Oh, well, I'm sorry to disturb you as soon as you got here. But, wow, look, he's swimming. Hopefully you guys...
Were you guys fishing?
Yeah, we caught quite a bit, a lot of smallmouth. I think that's all we actually caught, right? You lost a Saugeye, but that's it.
I'm getting a little bite. Hey, you have one of those things too? Like you go like on a boat?
Oh yeah, fish finder and transducer, yeah. It helps. I mainly just use it to see how deep the water is. And then also what temperature it is. I don't really...
We know, me and my dad use ours to find fish.
Nice.
And,
Yeah.
And the depth and all the...
Yep. The lakes, I use it to, you know, find fish. But in the rivers, more or less, I just want to know how deep it is and what the water temperature is.
You have a GoPro?
Yeah, we both have one. Yeah, we got a YouTube as well. If you watch YouTube, you can look us up, Rebecca and Josh's Fishing Adventures. Excuse me.
What did you guys do again?
Rebecca and Josh's Fishing Adventures. R-E-B-E-C-C-A. R-E-B-E-C-C-A. In space. Blue search button and it should pop up. Right there. Cool. Alrighty. What was your name?
Colton.
Colton. Nice to meet you. I'm Josh, obviously, and that's Rebecca. Thanks for subscribing to us.